you more birthday to come and good health and more money to come. More euro to come. More money to come to your pocket.
And to your household.
Alam mo, matagal na tayo hindi uli nakikita. Yung ating mga kwentuhan nun. Ikaw ay isa ka rin sa parte ng aming love story nito. Kami o. Kami. Ay, kalukulo lang. Ang tao ko nakakatatlo na o. O naman.
Hindi ko akalain ka sasabihin na asawa ko pasensya ka na. Kuya Nani, parang June lang nandyan kami para mag-celebrate ng birthday ng inay. Ngayon naman, birthday mo naman ang celebrate, 50th birthday. Sana nandyan kami, kaya lang wala nandito na kami sa Pilipinas eh. Yun nga, yung kwento mo, di ba, naalala ko bigla na sabi mo nga, hindi mo akalain na magtatagal ka niya sa Vienna, andyan ka mamumuhay. Eto nga, at 50 years old ka na, dyan mo sineselebrate ang birthday mo. Happy birthday, and sana lagi kayo maging masaya ng iyong pamilya, at lagi kayong magkasama ng Ate Margie, at lagi kayong magmahalan. Happy birthday again. Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rabi. Ay, hindi na sabi.
Okay na.
Sorry.
Ulit.
Happy your birthday, Ninong Nani. It's very special day for you this September 2009 because today is your birthday. Be happy and be free. I wish you that you have a very, very, very special day also because you have your family, your friends, relatives with you. With Inay, she can work with your birthday, but
Inay is not already there.
bye, Inay. Wrong ako ha, wrong. So, happy birthday, Ninong Nani. Hello, guys.
Hello guys. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ninong Nani. I like this again to the Europe because that is go back to Europe again. Very nice place and again invite me out again once because this is cool. Vienna is cool. If you invite me, you will give me a ticket.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Me? Happy birthday!
No more! I-edit na tayo Lila.
Hindi pa, tuloy pa. Ang ligaya.
Happy birthday ka na eh!
Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! With your friends, relatives, family, because today is your birthday, September 2009. Thank you. We love you, Mira.
Hindi na ako makakarating dyan kasi...
Ay, makakarating pa kami.
First na kami.
Mag-taste ka na lang dito sa aming show. Wala kayanan.
Years lang
Sige na.
Happy birthday!